deep cleaning the schools during the COVID-19 shutdown. Professional cleaners are in every school across the district, working to sanitize all the buildings while students and teachers are working from home.
We're taking advantage of this opportunity while the kids are not in the building to really put these buildings in the best shape possible. Custodial's taking a week to go through each building, getting all the touch points, all the areas of concerns. But we want these buildings to be in the best shape possible when the kids come back.
Here at Michael C. Riley Elementary School, crews are in the classrooms, wiping down desks, chairs, and other surfaces with a powerful hospital-grade disinfectant. The crews are spending more time than usual in each classroom, making sure all the areas are clean and disinfected.
Normally, custodial goes through the building every evening and touches every classroom in one evening. Now we're taking a week to go through the building and touch all the points of concern. We're wiping out everywhere we can.
The governor of South Carolina ordered all schools in the state to be closed through March 31st. At Michael C. Riley Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.